Hi folks. Welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we'll create a reading progress bar in WordPress posts using the MB Views extension from MetaBox. I guess that you have heard about the MB Views from MetaBox already. If not, that doesn't matter. I will tell you right now. MB Views is a powerful tool that helps to create and customize templates. Even though it's all based on code, it is more optimal than using PHP. You can see that clearer in several tutorials that we made before. You also can see in those tutorials that it usually is used to get and display data from custom fields created with MetaBox. But that's not all the things it can do. You can also customize all templates in WordPress with MB Views, even for post types that don't have MetaBox fields. This practice will show it clearer. Today, we are going to create a simple reading progress bar with the MB Views extension from MetaBox. It will be shown at the top of the singular page of each blog post. This one will work as an indicator, letting the visitors know how much they have read, and how much is left after all. Then, it may help to improve the user experience. Let's find out which tools we need for this practice. First, we need the MetaBox plugin to have a framework to use MB Views for creating templates. You can install it directly from WordPress.org. Besides, we obviously need the MB Views extension to create a template for the progress bar without touching theme files. You can install it individually. In the case that you have the MetaBox all-in-one, this extension is included there already. Go to MetaBox, Views, and create a new template. In this template tab, I just add some div tags to specify the area to display the bar. This ID is used for the whole area that covers the reading progress bar when it is full. This ID is used for the bar only. You can name them whatever you want. Next, go to the CSS tab of the view. I will use the CSS to display the progress bar. This is to set an area to cover the progress bar, as I said. In particular, these lines of code help determine the position of the bar at the top of the page. This is to specify the height and width of the progress bar. Rather, the width should be based on the real percentage of reading progress. But I set it full width now just for positioning it in the initial. I set the red color for the bar. You should change it to any color that matches your theme. That's all for the display. Now, move to the settings section of the view. To apply this template to the singular pages of the blog posts, I set the type as singular. Then choose the post type. Normally, you can choose an option here for the position. But, in this case, the progress bar is at the top of the page, and I've specified it at the top of the page in the CSS section before. So, this setting does not affect the bar position. Now, go to a post on front end. This is the progress bar that we created. It now is all red, no matter what I scroll the mouse or not. To make it work following the scroll, let's move to the next step. We should add action to the progress bar using JavaScript to trigger when the readers scroll the page, as well as identify how much they read. But first, we should change the default width of the bar to be 0. It should start from 0, since the readers do so. Then, go to the JavaScript tab. Add some lines of code. This is to create a JavaScript object for the progress bar. This is the ID where we set the bar. This is to trigger the event that readers scroll the page. I set this variable to calculate the percentage of the page that the reader scrolls. You should rename this variable. This formula will do that. This is the number of the distance in pixels from the top to the place where the reader is. This is the total height of the page where the readers can scroll, also in pixels. This is to eliminate the padding on the page. All these elements in this formula are the HTML DOM elements. You can refer to this link to learn more about them. Finally, the result will be converted to percentage. This line will force the width of the progress bar change following the result returned by this variable. That's all. Save the template and go back to the page on front end. Now, when we scroll down, the progress bar will appear and gradually lengthen according to the amount of content read. So we've already done it. If you want to change the speed of change in the bar and make it more smoothly, you can add this number. Just change this number to get the effect that you expect. I hope this video is useful for you. If you want to learn more about how to play around with MetaBox or MB views, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.